Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on capital markets. So let's start with question number 1. Capital market is a market for dash loans. A. National, B. Long term, C. Short term, D. Local. And the correct answer is B. Long term. Question number 2. Long-term assets in capital market have maturity greater than dash year or years. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 5, option D 3. And the answer is A, that's 1 year. Question number 3. SEBI stands for A. Social Export Board of India, B. Securities and Export Board of India, C. Securities and Exchange Bank of India, and D option is Securities and Exchange Board of India. And the correct answer is D. Securities and Exchange Board of India. Question number 4. Which of the following is true about capital market? Your options are A. It deals in long-term securities, B. It helps in capital formation, option C. It helps in creating liquidity, and D option is all of the above. And the answer is D, all of the above. Question number 5. Dash is the market for corporate securities. Your options are A. Capital market, B. Money market, C. Industrial securities market, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C, that's industrial securities market. Question number 6. SCRA stands for A. Securities Company Regulation Act, B. Securities Contracts Regulation Act, C. Stock Company Regulation Act, D. Stock Contracts Regulation Act. And the answer is B. Securities Contracts Regulation Act. Question number 7. A portfolio is A. Collection of capital, B. Collection of money, C. Collection of securities, D. Collection of financial assets. And the correct answer is D. Collection of financial assets. Let's move on. Question number 8. Short term in Indian context means a period A. Up to 1 year, B. More than 1 year, C. Between 1 year to 2 years, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Up to 1 year. Question number 9. Which of the following is the function of capital market? The options are A. Link between savers and investors, B. Encouraging savings, C. Stability in security prices, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. Capital market acts as link between savers and option A. Professionals, B. Businessmen, C. Investors, D. Customers. And the correct answer is C, that's investors. Question number 11. Which of the following saving can be said unproductive? The options are A. Saving in gold, B. Saving in bank, C. Saving in post office, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Saving in gold. Question number 12. Proper allocation of resources results in dash economic growth of the country. Your options are A. Imbalanced, B. Slow, C. Balanced, D. None of these. and the correct answer is C, that's balanced. Question number 13. Capital market is beneficial for A. Politicians, B. Investors, C. Public servants, D. None of these. And the answer is B, that's investors. Question number 14. Dash help channelizing the savings of the people who want to be investors. Your options are A. Capital market, B. Politicians, C. Public employees, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Capital market. Question number 15. Dash is called as the guardian of Indian financial market. Your options are A. Government, B. Cooperative bank, C. Economist, D. SEBI. And the correct answer is D. SEBI. Question number 14. Who can be the member of SEBI? Your options are A. Member from RBI, B. Member from Union Finance Ministry, C. Member appointed by Government of India, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 17. There are total dash departments in SEBI. Your options are A. 21, B. 10, C. 20, D. 15. And the correct answer is C. 20. Question number 18. Who appoints the chairman of SEBI? Your options are A. Union Finance Ministry, B. RBI, C. Government of India, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Government of India. Question number 19. SEBI has registered dash foreign institutional investors by January 1995. Your options are A. 268, B. 286, C. 826, D. 628. And the answer is B. 286. Question number 20. There are dash members in board of SEBI including chairman. Your options are A. 9, B. 10, C. 8, D. 5. And the correct answer is A. 9.